How to install the Good Lock app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen or in the app screen, you want to open up the Galaxy Store. In here, we're going to try to search for the app. So I'm just going to tap on the accept button, and then at the top here, tap on the search button. Now type in Good Lock. And here you can see from the search result, there is a Good Lock app. So tap on the download button. Okay, so we wait for that to finish. It is a small app. Okay, so now tap on the play button or the start button. Okay, now Good Lock has been installed on your device, and from here tap on upgrade and continued. Now this is the main container. So in order for you to use Good Lock, you need to download the plugins or module. So there are a lot of different modules that you can download. So here we've got Theme Park, Fantastic, Wonderland, Lockstar, Keys Cafe, Navstar, Home Up, Clockface, Quickstar, Edge Lighting Plus, Nice Shot, Naughty Star, Edge Touch, Nice Catch, One Hand Operation Plus, Routines Plus, Multi-Star, Camera Assist, and so much more in here. So you can swipe across and choose your modules based on the category. You can have it to show everything in here. So if you deselect all of these items, it will show us everything. And from here, you can then download the plugin. So tap on the download to download Theme Park and other plugins. So once the plugin has been downloaded, you can then apply them to your phone. So here I can tap on it, Theme Park. And then tap on the start button. Then tap on allow. And here we have the default. So we can tap on applied. And the theme pack has been applied to our settings. So that is the default. You can create a new one if you wanted to. And we've got theme, we've got keyboard in here. You can create new keyboard, quick panels, icons, volume panels, and so on. And that's it. That's how you can install the Good Lock on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.